good morning, Group 52. In Matthew chapter 10, verse 13, Jesus tells his 12 disciples, if the house treats you well, leave your peace. And if not, take it with you. This means that peace is a gift that we have the ability to leave. And what Jesus said to the 12 is true to each and every believer walking the earth today. You have the ability to enter in a place and leave peace. Group 52 this week, don't bring the chaos. Don't be a part of the problems. Wherever you go, bring peace. Be a part of the solution. May God bless you. May God keep you. And have the best week of your life.